Your plant is running like a well-oiled machine until something breaks. And then you have downtime, bringing frustration, chaos, confusion, standstills, finger-pointing, and the cost of lost production. But what if you could minimize unscheduled downtime, or even prevent it altogether? Introducing Werner Electric's Uptime Plant Services. We minimize and prevent manufacturing downtime with a three-tiered approach. When something breaks, our repair services are designed to get you the parts you need ASAP. But it doesn't stop there. We'll repair the broken part to manufacturer specs and get it back on your shelf at a fraction of the cost of a new part. We also offer scaled tech support, anywhere from guiding you on how to repair something yourself, all the way to complete remote support of your plant systems. But preventing downtime isn't just about equipment. It's also about having your staff trained to identify, address, and prevent problems in the first place. That's why we offer online and in-person trainings to empower your employees to effectively address issues. With Werner Electric's Uptime Plant Services, your operation is prepared for anything. We make things work so that nothing stands in your way. Uptime Plant Services from Werner Electric. We deliver more than what's in the box. Visit wernermn.com to learn more today.